Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Sorry, I was pretty occupied for past couple of weeks, so I was not able to create content like the way that I did before, right? So that thing is past now. I'm going to start again to upload videos regularly. So before going with today's video, a big thank you for all of you who have subscribed to the channel. We are now a family of more than 600 people, so that motivates me a lot. So that is the reason why I am here today again with a interesting content, right? So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Okay, so let's get on to today's video. So today's video is completely different from what I used to post on this channel, right? So there are a lot of posts, lot of LinkedIn posts, videos that are going over the world about this AI tool taking over jobs, right? So there is a tool that OpenAI has developed that is called as ChatGPT, and people are going crazy about it, right? So what am going to do in this video is let us just test if it is solving the purpose of a cloud engineer or not, right? So then later on I will give my thoughts around this tool and what is going to happen for our jobs in the future, right? So without wasting much time, let me open up ChatGPT. So this is the interface that I will get when I log into ChatGPT, right? So if you do not know what is ChatGPT and all, don't watch this video because it is going to blow away your mind. Because if you know what it is doing, then come here and watch. If you do not know, don't panic, don't hit the panic button, just relax and watch this video. All right, so what I've done is I have taken these sample questions from the AWS documentation. So these are sample questions for cloud practitioner examinations. So let us run few questions here and ask that chat GPT if it can answer it correctly. So let's see what it is answering, right? So let me copy the very first question here. Okay, so and I'll paste it here in the chat GPT. Let me hit post. So this will take some time to analyze this question, and later on let's see if it can answer our question correctly, right? So let's see what is the correct answer first. The first question answer to that is C. So the ability to launch instances on demand when needed. So this is the answer that we are expecting. Let us see what this AI is going to give us, right? So if you see here, the AI is giving us the exact answer, right? So C, Amazon EC2 instance can be launched on demand when needed, right? So if you see here, it is typing out the exact answer that we had in our documentation, right? So, and one more thing, don't just panic by watching this only one question, right? So let us see what are the other things that it can do, right? So let's go with the next question again, right? I'll copy another question here. Which AWS service would simplify the migration of database to AWS, right? So the obvious answer would be B, that is AWS database migration service, right? So let us post this question and ask ChatGPT if it can answer it correctly or not, right? So let me post that. Let us see what answer it will give. So it is going to take some time, right? So this tool is pretty cool, right? I have last 1 to 3 hours I've been testing all these things, what we do in our day-to-day lives, right? So cloud engineers, I've been testing all the things using the tool, but it can pretty much do all the jobs that we are doing. But let's see. I will post my things what I think about this tool at the very end. So please watch till the end. Don't directly arrive at a conclusion right now. Okay, if you see here, it is giving us the right answer again, AWS database migration service, right? Pretty cool. So don't think that you can post these questions while answering your while taking your question examination and get the answers very soon, right? So if you have seen here, there is some bit latency, right? It is taking some time to analyze and then give you the answer. right? So basically what it is doing, according to my knowledge, I'm not saying that this is exactly what it is doing. So it is taking this question and it is going through all the websites that is having this particular question and getting the answers there, right? So getting the right answers, right? Again, who are posting these questions? We human beings, right? So we are at a safe place there. But yes, this chat GPT is very powerful, revolutionary even, right? But it's, let's calm down, right? There is nothing that we are going to, you know, lose our jobs, right? So our jobs aren't gone yet. So I'll tell you what happened first, okay? So following the launch of this chat GPT, OpenAI's conversational bot, right? So post announcing the about the beauty of this, about the craziness of this chat GPT, of by our content creators, SEOs, and developers invaded all over the social media platform, Twitter, LinkedIn feeds, and all the other platforms, right? So but these people forget that Google exists, right? 2 days ago, Google rolled out its HCU, that is Google Helpful Content Update, globally. So what is the purpose of that update? So I'll tell you what happened. So Google, it will help Google system to detect low quality content created for search engines and not for people, right? In the same way, so who works at Google also said that, in a conference 5 days ago, Google has algorithms to go after those who post AI plagiarized content. Then the algorithm can demote, scraping content from the other sites also, right? Beware that Google is not the only one, right? So we have Stack Overflow, we have Devs platform. All those things are banning code generated by artificial intelligence because it contained errors and misled people, right? So same with the Getty Images that said AI generated images pose legal challenges, right? So what is the morality of this video? So ChatGPT and other AIs will definitely revolutionize our lives, but we are not absolute, right? At least at this moment. So what is ChatGPT used for? Right? So one of the data scientists who works at Google has an excellent post on the LinkedIn. I'll make sure to add that link to that post in the description box, so you can also go and read that out, right? So let me show you how the post is here. If you see here, she works at Google and she has put up everything in a detailed manner, so you can go ahead and read this short content. It will help you a lot in understanding what is this chat GPT is all about, right? So let us also try another thing, right? So I'll say, okay, uh, list, okay, I'll say AWS Boto 3, AWS Python Boto 3. Okay, I'll just say Python here, Python Boto 3 script to list all the running EC2 instances in a region. Let's see if it is going to write the code for us or not, right? So I'm asking ChatGPT to write a Boto 3 script to list all the running instances in a region, right? Let's see what it is doing. Here's an example of a Python script using Boto 3 SDK that lists all the running instances in a region. Oh, cool. It is doing awesome work. See here, it is importing Boto 3, it is opening the EC2 client, it is giving us instance describe, it is picking the right method to get the details, it is adding filter, and it is also printing out the instance ID. So this is perfect code. I think this script, it is going through all the content, I mean all the available content that are already posted, and it is getting the details here, right? So surely this is going to help us, but not completely, right? So these are my views on a chat gpt. So our jobs are not yet gone, so we can use these type of tools to understand, to learn, and let us update our knowledge constantly. So this will do nothing to us, only motivates us to go forward, clear certifications, learn everything which AI cannot do, and get ourselves a good job, right? So this is all about this video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. So don't forget to comment your views on this chat gpt tool that that people are going crazy about. So let me know in the comments. And that's all for today's video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.